As well as the automatic engagement motor mover, there is the option of a manual engagement motor mover. This works in exactly the same way as the automatic, except engaging the rollers onto the tyre is done manually rather than with your remote control. On the motor mover casing, you will see there is a little spigot here, which the automatic mover does not have. For the manual mover, you have a bar that you put onto here, and when you push the bar on, you must make sure it covers this whole section entirely, and you pull the bar over towards the back of the Caravan to engage the roller onto the tyre. As you do this, you will hear quite a loud clunk. That's completely normal, and the cross will again make the tick yellow. To disengage, instead of using your handset, you put the bar on here, pull it forwards towards the front of your Caravan, and the yellow tick will turn into a yellow cross. Do be careful when disengaging the motor mover. Make sure you stand out the way of your handle, as it's quite a lot of pressure in the system there and you don't want it to get in your way. When using the remote control, you do not need to use the automatic buttons because you do that bit with your handle. You just use the directional buttons as normal and your power buttons to turn the system on and off.